video, we will tell you about some important community signs. Parking. Parking signs instruct people where they may or may not park their vehicles. No parking. Amongst one of the most familiar signs, this sign is used where parking is prohibited. Danger. Indicates situation that will result in serious injury or death. Emergency. Emergency signs are designed to indicate the location of or the direction to an emergency facility. Railway crossing. Active railway crossing signs warn you about approaching trains. When warning signals are activated, stop behind the stop line and gates and wait for the trains to pass. No entry. No entry is used on sign to indicate that you are not allowed to go into a particular area. Silence zone. No horn shall be used more than 100 meters in silence zone area.